Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our dome light lens for the 94 to 2004 cars and the 97 to 2004 trucks. As these late 90s and early 2000 vehicles start to show their age, the need for replacement parts are on the rise. Plastic parts, especially clear plastic lenses, tend to become brittle from heat and yellow over time. Dennis Carpenter has just the solution for your 94 to 2004 car and 97 to 2004 truck with our new dome light lens. Made from high quality modern day plastic compounds, this will be the perfect replacement for your broken or yellowed original. Our lenses are made exactly like the originals for a perfect fit and finish. So if your interior is showing its age, you can freshen it up with one of our new dome light lenses. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.